Hello friends, welcome to Monica's Kitchen at Food Art Science. Today we are going to make black grams. So these are the black grams and there are different variations to cook it. Today I am going to make the dry ones. So feel free to open it up and feel it how they are. And feel free to ask me any questions in between. Chickpeas are bigger in size. That's a bigger version, and these are black grams. So these are smaller versions, a different variety of it, right? And this is a pressure cooker. So we like to soak these beans overnight. So I have soaked 1.5 cup of black grams, which has turned into 3 cups of black grams. Normal measuring cup. So these are 3 cups, and then 3 cups of water. We don't need too much of water in it. Even 2.5 is good enough. Just that I like drinking that soup, which is very healthy and nutritional. So, yes.
Can you soak it in a slow cooker? Because I don't have a pressure cooker.
Soak it in a
Slow cooker.
Yes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, then you can do it in an instant pot or a slow cooker. Even if you don't have those two options, feel free to
Soak it overnight?
soak overnight is must, whatever you are using, and it should be covered while you are cooking. Otherwise you are going to take ages, like 2 hours. But this will be done in hardly 20 minutes, 20-30, that is it. So I would like you to feel these black grams, which are raw, and now you feel the soaked one, overnight soaked one, and please tell me a difference.
Oh, this is hard and wrinkly, and this is filled out, but it's not soft.
Yes, it is not super soft, but it is better than
Oh,
that.
yes.
And what about a size?
Oh, it's doubled in size.
That's right. So, Amanda, please feel free to feel it. And these are the chickpeas. They are totally different from these black grams.
They are.
So, if you want to feel it, here they are.
I know what they're like.
Yes.
I do know what they're
Right?
like.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, these are the yellow lentils.
Yep.
Now, I would like you to see this one. So, if you peel these black grams and split them up, then these are dehydrated gram lentils. They come in different flavors, like you can add any spices even at home, just saute them and add cumin powder, coriander, turmeric, chili, anything. But I bought them original plain for children, just for boy. And now these same black grams, after soaking them overnight, I just left them out like this, and in sunlight and air, after 2 days you can see them sprouted. Please eat them and see how healthy and full of fiber and protein they are.
Oh, whoops.
Camera here for your feedback.
They're nice, actually.
They are nice.
They're nice. They're really nice to eat.
Yes. So you see, 1 black gram and so many
They're
different options.
like a bean sprout type.
Yeah.
That's right. They should be little moist and they should be covered very lightly. So normally I use this sieve to cover. If you don't have this net one, you can just use a tissue paper. So they will sprout in a day or two depending on the weather. So those alive black grams are very healthy for you. I think you might be, Chinese people like to eat sprouts, isn't it?
类似的那个叫我们叫什么？
就遮油的那个
遮
炸起来，
就是
不让它
炸
喷起来。
And you don't have to buy any sprout machine or something, just with any container sitting at home, just you can
With
do
some
it.
paper towel, wet paper towel at the bottom.
我们就是用盖子嘛，他们
Okay, so I would like to share a story of these black grams. This is a delicacy. So everyone must be knowing 7 wonders of the world, and one is in India. You know which one?
Yeah.
Taj Mahal.
Very good. Taj Mahal was built by
Some very, very famous person.
yes, Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan.
On asking that what one food you would choose if given a choice, then his answer was these black grams.
Oh, really?
Yes. It is not only a delicacy, it keeps them going for long, long time. These black grams are full of fiber, and that outer skin is full of antioxidants, and they remove all the toxins out.
Oh, right.
So protein, fiber, antioxidants. So that is a story behind it. So after 2 whistles, I switch it off because this is an induction cooktop. So I got a 3rd whistle as well because everything, the base cooktop was hot enough. But if you are not using a non-induction one, you can go to a 3 whistles. So I will say, if you are measuring time, if it is all close with enough of water, you are sure it is not going to burn, 20 to 30 minutes. You can easily take out those black grams and feel it on your hand. If you can crush it well, they are soft enough to eat, good. If they are hard, you have to cook it for more time. Okay, now we are going to make masala, a base of it. Okay, so these black grams today I'm going to make in 2 ways. One is this ready-made tandoori paste, and all the ingredients are Kashmiri red chili, garlic, ginger, tamarind pulp, gram flour, which is here. So all the condiments here, and this is very spicy and hot. So I'm going to use it, little bit of it, and I will show you this version. Now the other version is the homemade one. So I'm showing you both options just in case, whatever you like, and if you are running short of time, you can buy this one. If you noticed, I have not added any salt in that pressure cooker because that will make it more hard. So I would like to add later on. Just a spoon right now, we can adjust later on. Some red chili, and it is not that spicy because I am adding some chili flakes. So it is just for color. Homemade roasted cumin powder, which is a spoon here. And cloves, so just 2. Some curry leaves, and this is hing. So we use it only sparingly, only this much. Like that's it.
Is it hot?
It is flavorful. It will just help in digesting.
Yeah, okay, yep.
So you can see all the water has turned into brown color. So this is all soup, which is very healthy. Though we are making dried ones, we don't need this soup, but feel free to drink it or add in your vegetable stock. It's quite nutritional. Add salt, pepper, any flavor of your choice. And now you can see some of the grams have already cracked. So feel free to. So how soft they are.
Oh, they are. They're lovely and soft.
Yes.
No, they're really soft.
So now,
Just gonna-
in this masala, we are going to add just a small ladle of these black grams with 1 ladle, I will say, 1 or 1.5. So just blend it for a paste. That garnishing of cumins here. Adding oil is quite optional. I normally don't use much of oil, and especially if it is without oil, you can feel that fragrance and taste much better as compared to oil one. After this, so can you smell? Have you started smelling?
Yes.
Yes. And then you. And just after few seconds, you are using just that's it, and then you just dry them so they can coat very well. Done. And I
Okay.
will reduce it.
Off you go.
It's all done. I'm adding more of cumin powder on the top and sprinkling some more salt after tasting it. And this is all done just in 1 or 2 seconds. That's it. Sprinkling some
I like it little small. No big one.
onion here, chopped onion, and
Ginger.
ginger, but I prefer long strips of ginger.
It's like a chili.
And green chili.
Chili.
Chilies here. Good job, thank you.
That's
You can put coriander leaves on the top, and you can add some chaat masala or lime when you are eating. So that will make a difference.
So lemon.
Now that was a homemade paste, and this is a ready-made tandoori paste. It is grams, and but it is quite hot and spicy, so I'm going to use only half spoon of it. That's it. So I'm showing you both the options. If you don't want to make a home paste, you can use the same bottle.
Sometimes for speed as well.
Yes, it speeds up. So depending on your time, it is always good to take something ready-made and leave it in your fridge. So you can adjust accordingly. That's it. All done. And then again you are going to add. So I have not added any salt yet. So depending on this paste, we are going to taste and then adjust it. You can sprinkle any coriander leaves on the top, or no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Explain what those are.
These are carrot leaves. These are 3 times more nutritional as compared to carrots. So they look good for garnishing, and they are good for eating as well. So just sprinkle some.
That is homemade. That's got a nicer, a nicer taste.
This one.
Yeah, that's the homemade one
Yeah.
because of the garlic.